It's waffle time. Lance Velvin has up 2022 Sexy Bird Pink Halo. 1 through 50 is the list.
Now, Kat really needs to stick this landing close to the basket if she wants to fire.
It's 11:39.
Well, Treehelt flops over and sits
Two
perfectly
pages.
fine for Cat Merch.
Alright, let's hit up random.
Will be for her 8th
Fresh
par in a row.
page. There's the secure lock.
It's not going to be
And the
easy,
valid
but it's
certificate.
drastically uphill, but she's inside the circle.
1 through 50 to get a winner. Good luck once again. Sweet Pink Halo, Sexy Bird. Winner.
Talk about how difficult the putting
42.
is. Trying to land
Got
your
the winner.
shot next to the basket. It is very challenging to get that angle perfect.
Winner statement
And with that nicely
coming in at 11:40.
very slow approach to the pin.
You just have to wonder, has Katrina
42.
been shaken by
42.
the putting that she just had on hole 7? Does that make us
Howard Clark
concerned or
Permar.
worried about the short range
Congratulations,
putts
Howard.
for the rest of the round?
Clark Permar with the win.
Hasn't had
Nice
the
hit.
struggles as of late, but now Chris-
Congrats, winner. Have a great day, everybody.
This appears to be a bid.
11:41.